And then we'll play the song that we just did. Can we play the song that we just did?
Yeah.
Alright, cool. Jason, we just put. Are we recording now? Well, you don't know, so this is a Mad White Jamaica. I'm chilling with, John. And who's back there?
You know it's me, Splurt, for real. You know, so you don't know some there, big in the place, bigger and better. You don't know so we run things ready to eat up with party and think, you know, so me eat Ital food, so me get the soya patty and the veggie patty and everything crisp, so me get the Irish moss, so me drink it down like this. Original Splurt on the mic, you don't know so we ready for anything, and any guy want to test me, I'm dead. Me kill a boy in a competition. Some Japanese boy want to come test me, you're dead now. Yo, you're not ready for me. Yo, it's Mad White Jamaican in another place. Yo, we got the microphone hooked up.
Check out the mic, check out the production system. And Jason, why don't you play for them the song that we made this morning?
Hi.
Oh, by the way, this is Mr. Yosemite. This is a Japanese guy on my.
Hi. Bombokrat.
Bombokrat. Explain to them the song, Mr. Yosemite.
This is a very mad song.
Alright, this is an exclusive to everybody. We're going to film the video tonight and everything. We're probably going to use this whole setting as a video point. But you don't know it already, yeah? But I'm listening to this. Once I told them, them poor, them have nothing. You know, coming like the government now, listen. You don't know that already. Go on through over God. Big up my youth, you don't know that already. So my boy,
Back in our studio together.
I'm a twin brother,
Brother from another mother.
Yo, Mr. Big Man, please hear my plight. If you give me a job, I'll put my gun down tonight. We can't read that right, but we know about the car. Grease the machine just like my AR. Used to be mean, never care who they are. Just squeeze it till it clean, lick the shot from my bar. The night them so cold when my body was hot. Do it in the same tomorrow.
I am pull up selector. As we enter one more time from the TOP, going out to all of the massive.
I'm too shy. Honestly, in real life, I'm really a shy guy. You know what I mean? The camera, I'm not a big camera person. I'm actually very shy. You know that, Splurt.
You know, so
Splurt knows that.
I love for them on camera. I love for them on camera. I say, yo, let me talk to the camera. But right now, I want you to hear Mad White Jamaican, no tune, newest thing for 2010. 2009 and beyond.
First of all, and big up to all the subscribers out there, everybody that's been supporting us from day one. We're in New York, we're in Manhattan. If you're in New York and you're in Manhattan, I will be here till Thursday. Send us a text message, send us an email, and you might meet up with us. We might put you on camera.
We want a black president, black president.
Tell the old team, never care who they are. Just squeeze it till it clean, lick the shot from a bar. The night them so cold when my body was hot. You would do the same to put food in your body. So tell me, big man, how you sleeping at night? Do you wake to a dream with a house and a wife? A white picket fence and a dog in the yard. If I did have the same, then my dog wouldn't bark. That's a tune right there, now.
Rastafari.
Alright, Splurt, go upload that. Alright, like I said, I'm in New York right now till Thursday. If you want to link up, send me an email. We might talk about it. You don't know. Alright, I'm going to do this.